Here's another one of my just totally favorite edible flowers. This is Calendula officinalis. Isn't it beautiful? That is such a beautiful color. So yeah, okay, so calendula. What you want to do is you come and you harvest it at the leaf, and so that this can continue to grow, okay? Then you come and you get rid of the stem, and now you have all these petals. And you take these fresh petals and you sprinkle them on your salad, you put them in your soup, your sandwiches, your tacos. You know what, one of the things you can do is just like when you have a big plate of food like hors d'oeuvres or cheese and crackers, you can just take these flowers and just sprinkle them and like confetti all over the plate, so you can just decorate your plate with these flowers. They're also really good on desserts. And yeah, they just add color, an amazing color. They're really also good on potatoes. And just about any root vegetable you can decorate with calendula flowers. Calendula flowers are an amazing vulnerary. They're vulnerary. Calendula flowers heal the skin. So not just your external skins, but your internal skin. So they're really good for your digestive tract all the way down. They help to soothe and reduce inflammation in the excuse me, in the digestive tract. And so look at this one, how beautiful that is. Just all the layers of the petals, right? So calendula also comes in yellow. You'll find these yellow and dark orange. See, it's in both colors. So Calendula officinalis. Sometimes it's called marigold, but there's another plant that's called marigold that's Tagetes, and I don't eat that one. So we eat Calendula officinalis, and then here's the seeds. And you just take these seeds and just spread them around, and it's a really, really easy plant to grow. So yeah, there's our amazing. So one of the things that I love about calendula is that when you do this deadheading process, if you cut it off right where the leaves are, it's like deadheading roses. It actually encourages the growth. So this is one of the flowers that actually, the more you harvest it, and if you harvest it in the right way, see, I'll show you over here too. If you harvest it right above the leaf growth, now the plant can grow again. And the more, if you deadhead it like this, then it actually encourages the growth of the plant, and the more you deadhead it and tend to it, the more flowers you get. So this is one of the great plants that the more you use it and the more you tend to it, and the more you get.